If you are watching this video, that probably means you are considering getting into affiliate marketing and you're questioning whether or not affiliate marketing is even worth it. Is it worth your time, your energy, your money? All right. And in this video, I'm going to share my take on this question. All right. So jumping right into it, affiliate marketing, in my opinion, is definitely worth it. But all right, it's only worth it if you're looking at it as something that you want to make, in my opinion, a nice part-time or full-time income. All right, so what I mean is, if you go into affiliate marketing and you're not taking it serious, right, and you're just kind of just doing things here and there, you know, when it comes to marketing your products or whatever you into, you're probably not going to get the results that you think or that you want, right? If you're only doing things, you know, this week I'm a post a video, and the next week I'm gonna like make a Facebook post about, you know, whatever I'm promoting, or I'm gonna make one TikTok video. If you do that, right, here and there stuff marketing, you're going to realize, and most likely you're going to realize in 2 or 3 months, you're going to be like, man, I did like 12 things and I ain't make no money. Man, affiliate marketing is trash. That's what you're going to be saying. That's what you're going to be saying. And then you're like, man, this wasn't even worth it. But if you actually have a plan, if you are actually serious, all right, because no matter what you think, affiliate marketing, it is a business. If you hop into affiliate marketing, you need to look at that as, hey, I'm starting my own online business. Yes, you're promoting other people's products, but it's still your strategy, right? It's still your effort, and it'll be your income that you're gonna earn, right? So if you're taking it serious and you have a real strategy, right, and you're gonna put the time and energy in to learn affiliate marketing, what you need to do, if you pick the avenues of traffic, you know, that you want to use to make sales, where you want to promote and everything, and you're consistent, man, affiliate marketing is like a no-brainer, because there are so many people that are making a lot of money from affiliate marketing. A lot of people get into it because it really lets your average everyday person, literally overnight, you can put yourself in a position to make a full-time income, 6 and 7 figures you can earn from affiliate marketing. It's facts, right? And that's the beauty of it, because affiliate marketing, you do not have to create any products, right? A lot of these programs and products and systems out there and services, you know, a lot of money and effort has to go into creating these products. With affiliate marketing, you could just hop in, yo, give me my link, give me my banners I need, right? But the key that you have to remember is it's going to take effort. You need a strategy, and you have to take it serious. And what I mean by serious too, keep this in mind, it ain't like you got to put in 8 hours a day, right? But what I'm saying is, even if you work in a full-time job or part-time job, whatever, just set some time aside for your affiliate marketing efforts, right? Try to at least work the programs or whatever 3 to 4 times a week. Try to put in an hour or 2 a day. And if you do that, I strongly believe you're going to see results with affiliate marketing, and it will definitely be worth it. All right. Now, if you want to learn how you can start generating $50, $150, and $300 commissions, you need to watch this video right here.